Caps Ninja. Sensei Lance here on the floor of the Caps Dojo today to discuss one of our other workouts that we like to do around here to help develop explosive speed and power. Today we're going to be talking about push-ups. All right. Now the thing is about push-ups. It's probably one of the simplest exercises we can do if you don't have a whole lot of equipment to train with. It's great because you don't need any equipment. You can just do it at the house on the floor. All right, and what we're going to do today is I want to discuss the technique more than anything. All right, now before you get out here and you try to do 1,000 push-ups, you want to make sure your technique is well done. So what we're going to do is we're going to discuss the technique of the push-up. That way you can practice that at home. All right, it's just like your punches and kicks. You can't get out here and just start throwing punches and kicks as hard as you can. No, you have to get out here and you have to practice the technique. You have to make sure you're doing everything properly. That way you're not practicing incorrectly. Okay, there's a saying out there that practice makes perfect, and that's not true. Perfect practice makes perfect. So always remember that. Do the best you can. Make sure the technique is correct. Take your time. Slow and correct is better than fast and wrong. All right? And then once you get it down a little bit, you start adding some speed to it. Okay? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to discuss the technique of the push-up. So what I'm going to do, the way I like to start, is from here, I'm going to be laying flat on the floor. Now, if you'll notice, I dig my toes into the mat. Okay? Now, my hands, I keep my back nice and straight. My hands are right here, right by my chest. Okay? Now, when I do this, I keep my hands right about here, and you see a lot of people doing it differently. You see people keep them real close in. You see people do diamond push-ups. See people put their hands way out. Right now, just right here, where it's nice and comfortable to put your hands, is probably the best way to start. So what I'm going to do is I lay good and flat. My hands are right here by my chest. They're not up here by my face. They're not out here. They're right back here by my chest. I dig my toes in, and the first thing I do is I try to push my whole body up at the same time. Here. Breathing out as I go up. And then I breathe in as I go down. Now, I'm demonstrating the technique here. So you see me laying on the floor a lot. Ideally, you don't want to lay back down on the floor. Once you start doing push-ups, you want to keep your belly and chest off the floor. Okay? So, from here, one more time. I'm down here. Dig my toes in. My back is straight. My hands are right here by my chest. From here, and it's okay to look down at first. I like to look up. So when I do my push-ups, I push up. I breathe out as I come up. I breathe in as I go down. And that is a great exercise to do to develop strong arms, chest, shoulders, core, and just playing your upper body. All right? Because when we throw punches, if we ever have to defend ourselves, which I hope you never do, but if you ever have to defend yourself and you have to throw a punch or a palm strike at somebody, I want you to make sure that your arms and everything is as strong as possible. Okay? I want you to hit them. I want your arm to be like a block wall, not like a sponge. Okay? I want everything to be strong. All right? So make sure, not only practice your techniques at home, but make sure to work out, to exercise, anything. These are great. Push-ups. We're going to be doing lots of videos. Push-ups, running, squat jumps, burpees. All those things are fantastic, and they'll help develop you into a better martial artist and help your self-defense skills. All right, y'all. Have a great day. Practice that at home.